Good morning everybody. Myself Raghveer Jha, I am going to teach about power of integers. As we know that area of a square is equal to side whole square. That means side into side. This can be written as s square. Similarly, volume of a cube is equal to side to the power 3. That means side into side into side. This can be written as L cube, where L is the length of the side. So we observe in algebra, some power is written on a number. For example, 4 square. Here 4 is the base and 2 is the power. 9 cube. Here 9 is the base and 3 is the power. If the side of a square be 4 centimeter, then its area will be equal to 4 cm into 4 cm is equal to 16 cm square. 4 into 4 can also be written as 4 square. That means 4 square is equal to 4 into 4. If the side of a cube be 5 cm, then its volume will be equal to 5 cm into 5 cm into 5 cm is equal to 125 centimeter cube. Since 5 into 5 into 5 can also be written as 5 cube, that is 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5. Similarly, 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Minus 10 to the power 5 is equal to minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. That means minus 10 is multiplied by itself 5 times. Here minus 10 is known as base and 5 is known as power or exponent. In 2 to the power 4, 2 is called the base and 4 is called the power or exponent. In 7 to the power cube, 7 is called base and 3 is power or exponent. So power or exponent indicate the number of a time the base is to be multiplied by itself. For example, 2 square, this is read as 2 square. 6 cube, this is read as 6 cube or 6 to the power 3 minus 7 to the power 4. So we say here minus 7 is the base and 4 is the power. Next question, find the value of minus 2 cube into 5 square into minus 10 का whole square. Minus 2 cube is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. 5 square is equal to 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Minus 10 square is equal to minus 10 into minus 10 is equal to 100. Hence, since minus 2 cube into 5 square into 10 square is equal to minus 8 into 25 into 100 is equal to minus 20,000. Minus 1 to the power odd positive integer is equal to minus 1. That means what may be odd positive integer on the base minus 1, its value will be equal to minus 1. Minus 1 to the power even positive integers, its value will be equal to plus 1. For example, minus 1 to the power 5 can be written as minus 1 into minus 1 up to 5 times is equal to minus 1, and in B minus 1 to the power 6 are written as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 up to 6 times. Since they are negative integers are multiplied at even time, so its sign will be positive. That means its value will be equal to 1. 6 cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 216. The table given in question 3 shows 3 column powered numbers, base and exponent. Here we observe that in a 7 to the power 5 it is powered number, 7 is here base and 5 is exponent. In B, 9 to the power cube. Here base is 9 and 3 is the exponent or power. C, minus 3 to the power 4. Here minus 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent or power. In D, minus 1 to the power 6. Minus 1 is the base and 6 is the exponent. E, 20 square. Here 20 is the base and 2 is the exponent or power. In question 4, write in power notation A 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. As 4 is multiplied here 4 times, so its result will be equal to 4 to the power 4. In question B, minus 2 is multiplied 5 times, so it can be written as minus 2 to the power 5. In question C, minus 1 is multiplied up to 33 times, so it can be written as minus 1 to the power 33. In question 5, write minus 7 whole cube in expanded form. So this can be written as minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. As here power is 3, so it is multiplied 3 times, multiplied by 3 times. In question 6, find the number which is cube of minus 9. Minus 9 का whole cube is equal to minus 9 into minus 9 into minus 9 is equal to minus 729. Since we know that minus into minus plus and again plus into minus minus, so the symbol is here minus. In question 7, simplify minus 7 whole cube plus minus 10 whole square plus minus 10. Here we observe that minus 10 to the power 3 is equal to minus 1000, minus 10 square is equal to 100, and plus minus 10 to the power 1 can be written as minus 10. So its advance will be equal to minus 910. Question number 8, subtract the cube of minus 2 from the cube of 2. Since minus 2 cube is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8 and 2 cube is equal to 8. Here we observe that the value is same but there is difference of sign. Minus 2 whole cube, minus is multiplied 3 times, so its sign is negative, and 2 whole cube, 2 is multiplied 3 times, so it is positive. Thus required number is equal to 8 minus, in bracket minus 8. When minus multiplied by minus, then it is equal to plus, is equal to 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Verify 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 4 square. Since LHS is equal to 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16, and RHS is equal to 4 square is equal to 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Thus we observe that LHS is equal to RHS, hence 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 4 square. Now I give you some classwork to solve in class. There is a table in which 3 columns are shown: powered number, base and exponent. Number is written in powered number column. You have to write in base and exponent. A minus 10 to the power 7, B 6 to the power 5, C 9 to the power 4, D minus 3 to the power 5, E minus 11 to the power 4. Question 2, write in power notation A 6 into 6 into 6, B minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8, 5 times. C 11 into 11 into 11 into 11. D 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. That means it is written 6 times. E 17 into 17. F minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 up to 44 times. Question 3. Write the following in expanded form. A 2 to the power 5, B 3 to the power 4, C minus 7 whole cube. Question 4. Find the number which is a square of 15, B 19th power of minus 1. Question 5. Simplify 2 cube minus 4 square. Now I give you some problem to solve at home. These problems are: in question 1, write the following in expanded form: A 3 to the power 5, B 6 to the power 4, C 8 cube. Question 2, compute the following: fifth power of minus 10, B square of 17, C cube of 8, D fourth power of 5. Question 3, simplify: A 3 square plus 4 square, in B 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube, C 3 cube minus bracket minus 2 cube, D 2 cube plus 5 square plus minus 3 whole cube. Question 4, write true or false for the following statements: A 3 to the power 4 is equal to 4 cube, B 9 to the power 7 divided by 9 to the power 5 is equal to 9 square, C minus 5 square into minus 5 cube into minus 5 is equal to minus 5 to the power 6, D 6 cube plus 6 square is equal to 6 to the power 3 minus 2. Question E, cube of a negative integer is positive. Thank all of you and have a nice day.